Hi. Lexzur's litigation case module serves as a comprehensive litigation management system, replacing all the tools needed to track litigation data related to courts and hearings. To begin, let's add litigation cases to your database. Click on the Create button in the navigation menu. There are 3 mandatory fields to fill. Name: enter a distinctive name that makes it easier to find and search for this litigation case later. Practice area: specify the relevant area of practice associated with this case. Arrival date: indicate when this case arrived at your office. Moreover, you have the option to provide a detailed description of the case and specify the client making the request, along with details about opponents and their positions. Assigning the case to a specific user, setting its priority, and more are also customizable options. While these fields are optional, it's advisable to fill them out for a smoother report generation process at a later stage. Now, you can efficiently track and manage all your litigation cases from a single grid. To delve deeper and make additional modifications, click on the case's name or ID to access its dedicated page. Within the General Info tab, you have the flexibility to add details or modify existing information, update workflow statuses, document important developments, and create custom fields to include any additional information. Additionally, you have the option to outsource this matter to external advisors and mention any contributors actively working on the case. Furthermore, make sure to take note of all noteworthy updates related to this case. On the Stages and Activities tab, you can seamlessly add and track litigation stages, hearings, events, tasks, and reminders. Modify stages by providing essential information such as the stage name, status, judgment date, and court-related details. Subsequently, add and track all associated hearings, tasks, and events within the current stage, along with their respective details. You have the flexibility to continually update hearing details, set judgments, generate hearing reports, and access a myriad of additional functionalities. Moreover, you can send emails through the case and seamlessly track all related email conversations. The Attachments tab lets you organize folder structures and upload and manage documents related to this case. In addition, record expenses, time logs, and bills, so you can determine what to invoice later. You can also establish a link between a case and an existing matter or contract in Lexzur. Last but not least, fine-tune user rates, matter rates, capping, partners' percentages, and billing preferences for this litigation case from the Settings tab. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.